Good morning, you guys. It's like 10 something. I think it's actually about to be 11. I want to go to the gym and work out a little bit. I said I was going to make a OTD, but I'm going to make that later. I just want to go to the gym and work out a little bit. Nothing too crazy because I haven't eaten. And you guys, I cannot work out on an empty stomach. So I'm just drinking my water right here. This is the water we got from Tea Around the Town. This is the water from Tea Around Town. It's Aqua Pana Tuscan natural spring water. I bought a exercising outfit just for it. You guys, I just discovered while I'm out of town, I love to work out. I love to be active and stuff. I'm gonna do a little exercise, come back, shower, do a little rinse for brunch and get dressed. Oops. I'm a little congested, as you guys can hear, but that's how it is after that's just how it is when I wake up lately. Like, for some reason, I'm always congested. Like, these days, I just been dealing with a lot of congestion. I just keep sneezing. It's so annoying. I was gonna put on makeup too, so I won't have to do my makeup later. But you guys, my skin has been horrible. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but my skin is like horrid. I have hyperpigmentation all over the place. I keep getting bumps. Like, I'm talking about they're big. And they hurt so bad. All done. On my Vans had you guys, tell me why I accidentally left some of the water. Waste some of the water in my bed. Like, the top wasn't all the way on of that Tuscany water. And it wasted on my bed. Hopefully it's at the feet, but I might have to get a blow dryer and dry that later, because I feel like it might not be dry what I need it to be. So let's go. I'm gonna bring a tripod. I'm gonna bring this tripod so I can record with. I might not need it. I'll bring it just in case. So you guys, I just called and they said the gym is on the 8th floor, so let's go. Something I forgot my beads. I didn't get to go to the gym and I'm sad. I'm so sad I didn't get to go to the gym because I had to wait on the housekeeping because they didn't come, so I forgot. I guess it's kind of, I saw that they were coming and then I left to go to the gym, and I came back and I'm waiting for them to come and they didn't even come. So they completely left. I had to call the front desk to get them to come back because we needed our trash taken out. We have too much trash in our room, so I had to call them back to get them to come, take our trash out. I also wasted water on my thing, and I don't know if it was gonna dry in time for tonight. I wasted water on my bed, so I got my bed changed, and I got us some more towels and a towel. Then to take those. So she just left, and it's like 12, and I've been crying because I'm not comfortable with somebody coming in here with our stuff and being with our stuff while we're not in here. Like, it would have been fine if our like stuff was put up, but our stuff isn't put up. It's all out, and I don't feel like putting it like all locking it up. Even if it's like locked up, even if our like suitcases are like closed and stuff, I'm still a little weary. And like if anything, comes up missing, I don't want to be the one to, like, I don't want it to fall back on me and be like, okay, you should have been there, and I'm right here in the hotel too, so it's just like, I don't really have anything like planned 100% to do anyway. I could just simply wait and watch and make sure that everything is going how it's supposed to. So I just stayed in here. I'm kind of sad about it, but maybe I'll make time for it tomorrow before we leave. Yeah, before we leave too, because tomorrow we are leaving. Today is our last day, our last full day, and we're leaving in the morning tomorrow. So yeah, I've been kind of, I don't know. I've changed into this another. Oh, did I show you guys? Did I show you guys that? I don't think I showed you guys that. I got a souvenir. So I got a shirt. And I'm thinking about wearing that to the rug place that we're going to today. We're going to make a rug. I found a cute, like quickly, my sister said we have to find a design. I had to find a design, so I had to do that quickly. It's gonna be blue because you guys know my favorite color is blue. So yeah, that's what we're doing later today. And the last thing we are doing today is going on a helicopter ride. We might have dinner, we might not. Like, it's gonna be a little late after the helicopter ride, so we might not really do anything. But yeah, I'm just curling my hair so I can have curls for brunch. And I might not even have to curl it later if I curl it now. I can just pin it up after brunch, after we come back. It's gonna be, actually, I don't know. I have to look at my itinerary again. My stomach is like growling right now. I'm gonna go eat some probiotic gummies. Y'all, my waist hurts. Like my, what is it called? Yeah, like waist, like my hips hurt. And I was doing this a lot and stuff at the concert, and I think that's a result of that. So yeah, if you guys were wondering how my body is doing, my body is keeping score right now. My body is for sure keeping score because my body hurts, and that's why I wanted to work out too, to kind of like stretch my limbs out after all that dancing I did yesterday. Because my feet still, actually my feet are alright, and I think I'm missing some bobby pins. I'm using bobby pins to pin up my hair when I curl it because I don't have any other thing. You guys, I don't know what I'm wearing, so I'm just gonna do my makeup first. Just gonna do my makeup first and then figure out what I'm wearing, because I don't want to wear any heels, and that's mainly all I have is tennis shoes and heels. It's a way we're both being irritable at the same time. Please do not question why I'm doing this with. I'm just doing the best that I can. Maybe I'll put this here. I'll see you guys when my makeup is done. So you guys, I'm done. Honestly, splotches on it and I don't. That's nice. Now we're on the way, guys. You got that. Something to fill you up. Okay. Hey guys, we made it to with organic grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken?
Could you add some fries on there, shoestring fries? Okay, thank you. Strawberry. You guys, let's try this strawberry lemonade.
Oh my gosh, the bee over there.
You guys, we're near the concert venue or space where I went to my first K-pop concert. I went to my first concert here, it's like right here for Kanakon. They're disbanded now, but you guys, I just found that kind of crazy that we came by here. And it's like right there. That's so funny to me. So you guys, I got a Caesar salad with grilled chicken and extra steak fries because I wanted some fries. Strawberry lemonade, but it's not good. We just made it, you guys, to the workplace, Fuzz Labs.
Like so, do not twist but pinch the wire. And then on the right side of the machine, that is how you hook it onto the canvas. Tiny hole in the needle. From the top to the bottom. Like so, and then you just pull it through. And then hook the machine on and then release the wire. You never want the yarn to hang past the black handle because it does just get cut off. So about where this metal piece is about a good length. Tell the machine is on or off. There should be a light with this switch right here. Just heads up, the machine only ever goes up, okay? To change direction, for this first part, we are only working on vertical and horizontal lines. You change the direction of the pin candle. You have to change it a full 90-degree angle. You can just find a square, insert it. You want to make sure that these two prongs of the needle are always touching the canvas. Put your entire body weight into it. You can just pull out those longer pieces. Those do not affect your final product. Just a heads up, you want to make sure to always maintain constant pressure and your help guiding the machine. The machine does not move on its own. You kind of have to push it, but don't force it. So you're like almost tapping it towards the same direction. Who wants to go first?
You guys, I'm done with my rug finally. It's like 5:48 right now and we're about to leave. My rug, she has to like, you know, shave it down. But I'm really proud. I think I did pretty good. I got the hang of it, so it was fun. Let me hold it up. The aftermath from us doing our rugs. It's my Ricky, you guys. It's so cute. I could have did more blue, like dark blue on the outsides, but I think it's pretty. Oh, okay. So lazy though. So ready to go. And we're done, you guys. I'm so ready to eat. Finally done with dinner. It's time to go back. I really wanted to go to the gym, you guys, but that doesn't look like it's gonna happen because we have to be up super early and I'm the only one who wants to go to the gym tonight and I can't go alone, so it's my mind and my soul. Hi guys, it's officially the morning and I just wanted to say goodbye to you guys. This is officially the end of the video. Had a great time. I hope you guys did too. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. And yes, I am. Peace. I love you and God loves you.